guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you Ganesh Chaturthi special makeup look. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Also, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. And that was a very long intro. Let's get started with today's tutorial. Starting off with the primer, I am using the NyBae Primer here and I am applying it on my T-zone and also on my cheeks so that it gives a beautiful base for the foundation to sit on. Going straight to foundation, I will be using two foundation over here. The first one is the Maybelline Superstay foundation and the next one is the Makeup Revolution stick foundation. So I would be mentioning all the shades in the description box below so you can check it out. And then I'm just applying both of them with the help of my finger and I'm making some dots on the face, and then I will be blending it with a brush. So you can also use a beauty blender if you want, but I always prefer a beauty blender, but my beauty blender was dirty, so I'm using a brush instead. If you want your base makeup to look flawless and glowing, then you can always apply some facial oil on top of the brush and then blend it along with the foundation. This will make sure that your base looks radiant and not like totally matte or cakey. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm putting it on the pigmentation that I have on my face, and then I'm blending it with my hands. And here I'm not using a concealer just because the Maybelline Superstay foundation is a pretty high coverage foundation, so it will hide all of the blemishes. Here I'm not using a brush or any kind of beauty blender, I'm just using my fingers to blend it. Now to set my under eyes, I am using the C.A.L Los Angeles contour wheel and I'm using the lightest shade from there, and I'm using the same foundation brush to pack the powder under my eyes. Then I would be doing my brows off camera just because I would be uploading a separate brow routine very soon and I follow exactly the same steps. Now to contour my face, I would be using the darkest most shade from the palette and I will be putting it on the hollows of my cheek and also my jawline, and then I would be contouring my nose as well, but very slightly. I'm not going over the board with contouring today. If you want to contour your forehead, then make sure that you are swiping the brush along the hairline so that it looks like a shadow and not like a harsh contour. For the eyes, I would be using the Fashion Factory 45 eyeshadow palette, and I'm really sorry I cannot really show you the palette nicely just because some of the shades are broken, but I will make sure that I will put a picture on the screen. And I am starting off with the coppery rusty shade that it has. This is a very beautiful subtle shade and I'm using it on my crease and then I'm blending it along with the brush. So make sure that you are using a blending brush and not a flat brush. Now I will be taking this beautiful golden coppery shimmer shade and I will be putting it on the hollow section of my eyes. Then I will be dragging it towards the inner corner to make it a little more popping. Just make sure that you are using a flat brush instead of a blending brush. This will give you maximum pigmentation of the shimmer, and with shimmery shade you always need to make sure to use a flat brush or your finger if you like. Then I would be taking this beautiful electric blue kajal from Avon and I would be putting it on my waterline. I just wanted to do a blue on my eyes just because my outfit has blue in it. You can absolutely skip this part if you just want a beautiful sunset look, but I wanted that pop of blue on my eyes. That is why I went for it. Then I'm just using the Lakme Insta Liner to make a small wing. I'm not going to do a exaggerated wing. This is gonna be a very subtle wing so that the colors of my eyes pop even more. Moving on to mascara, I would be using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara, and this has been my recent favorite, and it was actually suggested by you guys. You guys may know that I always go for the Maybelline Colossal mascara, but this one was suggested by you guys and I am absolutely loving this mascara. It makes the eyes look so flattering, and it coats the lashes very beautifully, and it separates the lashes as well. So this is my current favorite. Then I'm just gonna quickly line my lips with the Incolor lip liner, and then I would be moving on to the lipstick, and for that I am using the Lakme Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mulberry Fizz. This has been my one of the favorite lipsticks of all time. I love the shade on me and it looks very beautiful on darker Indian skin tone. Then I would be taking a little bit of lipstick on the back of my hand and I would be using it as a blush as usual. I absolutely love using lipstick as blush as I feel that it gives a more youthful look and it looks very natural and not fake that a powder blush might give. For the highlighter, I will be using this Miss Claire Illuminator, and this is a liquid highlighter. So for festive look, I always look for glowy skin and I do not want my skin to look fake or over the top. That is why I love to use cream and liquid products instead of powder products. I would be applying the highlighter on top of my cheekbones, on my nose, and also on my cupid's bow, or basically where the sun hits the face. That is where you need to apply highlighter so that your face looks glowing from within and not look fake. And that completes the entire look, you guys. This look turned out so beautiful and pretty, and I didn't really expected the look to turn out this pretty. I did a traditional look after so long time, and I really hope that you like it. A lot of festivals are coming, and I know this year the festivals is not gonna be like usual, but we can always dress up, we can always celebrate with our family and friends if your friends are around. And that's it. If you dress up, you are gonna feel good from outside as well as inside. At least for me, when I dress up, I instantly feels good. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and let me know how do you like this look. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope that you like it, and if you end up recreating this look in any of the festivals that are coming, then please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would be really happy to see your recreations. Also, if you recreate any of my looks, don't forget to use the hashtag FamJamWithPooja. I would be happy to repost your post. So that's it. If you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.